but I'll be on it always, always and ever.
Good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, guys. I hope you're doing good. If you are, that's great. I really hope you guys are doing good. My bird. I allowed myself to sleep in this morning because of the simple fact that it is Saturday. My dad's girlfriend just went to the store with my brother. I had to stay home to watch him because he was and my dad is sick. So I had to stay here and watch him to make sure he didn't scream. I just like definitely would have went to the store for you guys and made it a little trippy trip. But it's okay. Anyways, this book, I want to start reading it. I've continuously said that I want to start reading this book, but I just don't read the book. Anyways, yeah. I'm trying not to make a lot of noise. I normally don't make all that much noise. I stay in my room like literally 24/7. But I'm trying to like stay to myself, be quiet, whatever, yada yada, so that way my dad can sleep, because it's bad. Like, it's bad. Like, luckily he has a week off this week because he's just taking time off to take, like, it's a vacation. Like, I don't know if he's getting paid, and that's not my business. Anyways, he has time off this week, so that's the good part. But the sucky part is that he's sick whilst on his vacation. But I guess that's the good part, because then he doesn't have to be like, bring. I'm sick. So, that's the good part. Anyways, I will come back to you when I have something to talk about. Smoothie. It has strawberries, bananas, I think peaches, that... crap, what is it called? It's like, I don't know. I'll put it up on the screen. It has that. It has, stop it. It has, he thinks I'm playing with it. It has a little bit of water and some orange juice. Oh, it's called Emergency. That's what it's called. I also have some Dots pretzels because that's what I requested from the store. Oh, and some fruit. I have watermelon, and then I have like mixed berries. So I have like blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, kiwis. I know kiwi's not a berry, but what else? I'm trying to help you get up. I think that's it. And then I have my toot. Also, for once, I'm watching Reba. I'm really savoring those last couple of episodes that I have of Gilmore Girls for like a really bad day where I just feel like crap and I have nothing better to do, because that's currently my favorite show, and I'm gonna be so sad when it's over. I know that they have more episodes of like the newer version of Gilmore Girls on Netflix, but I don't have Netflix, so I miss it well. So it's currently probably like 12:30, and I sadly started to have a little tickle in my throat, and now my throat just a little bit hurts. Yeah, no, at first I thought it was like my throat just itched. Like, you know when you used to sit in class and you would have those cough attacks? Yeah, I had those multiple times. So embarrassing. Anyways, you'd be there and you'd be like hoping that the teacher would be like, go get water. But she never did. Yeah, that's what I thought happened. But no, it's definitely like a sore throat. I just drank pickle juice because I felt like a cramp coming on, and I still feel like it's about to come on, but we'll see. And it kind of like stung my throat a little bit, so I know that there's something going on there, but it's more like, I think it's like right, it's like at the, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, hopefully it doesn't get any worse than what it is. I'm gonna cry if it gets worse than what it is. I'm gonna go to sleep and hopefully wake up and be better. I'm recording because I woke up and I'm thick. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I'm thick. I have lower back pain and my head hurts. I have a little cough. My windows are open for a reason. I know that like being cold and sick is not a good combination, but this house is hot because my parents are sick, but they're running cold and I'm running hot. And it was getting to the point where I was like about to all over the place. So I needed to open up my windows. So that's why my windows are open. I took some Dayquil. So my back, like, it hurts, but it doesn't hurt. Like, it's better. And then I also have my heating pad because that was helping for a little bit. I tried to eat not hungry. I also really wanted to eat this orange real bad, but it's hard. I think it's not ripe yet. I can't. Having like an orange tree and a lemon tree. Oh my goodness! I can't wait to start growing my own crops, making my own bread, having cattle. I live in the dream. I just spilled my water. Oh, that's cold. Anyways, so I still haven't read my book yet. Right now I'm watching Reba. So maybe I should read my book because I'm sick. I have nothing better to do. I think I'm gonna take a nap because now that my medicine is kicked in, I'm in no pain at all. So I think now is the best time for me to take a nap. I haven't been reading. I tried to take a nap, couldn't take a nap. I almost fell asleep. Look, like I startled myself back awake, and then I wasn't able to sleep after that. I didn't read, like I said. I really need to start reading that book. Guys, that is a vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications. So you're aware of every time I post a new video. I don't feel good. I'm gonna go to sleep. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys all so very much. Thank you for watching. Bye.
With your game, pop your shit, say something pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitch, they got the like none. Kitty, I don't think I got the type one. Ain't one taking, I got the right one. These bad bitch, you like is my son.